ऐसे भी कुछ दिन होते हैं when you know you have a deadline, पर आप चाहते हुए भी अपना बचा हुआ स्क्रिप्ट, आइडिया या एडिट कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाते। ये हम सब के साथ होता है, बट क्रिएटिंग कंटेंट इज नॉट एज इजी एज यू थिंक। आपने वीडियो तो देखी होगी on how to focus better and how to become consistent, but very few have discussed on why we fail to become consistent and why it is so hard to become consistent. Creators are always looking for an inspiration to strike, that one idea that does not let them sleep until they see the outcome. Ideas कहीं भी और कभी भी आ सकते हैं, and बहुत बार ideas हमें तब hit करती है when we least expect it. पर जब ideas आते हैं, we get sucked into the cycle of procrastination.
Time is in glorious abundance to those who procrastinate.
It all starts with copying, imitating, failing and trying again and again until we realize our sense of direction. इसी तरह हम skills acquire करते हैं that makes us who we are. We become what we consume. सुनने में तो बड़ी common बात लगती है, but it's fairly true even in the sense of content creation. Creators are consumers first and then they become a creator. और creator बनने के लिए आप पहले content consume करते हो. Initially, inspiration comes from consumption. इससे आपको एक reference point मिलता है ये सोचने के लिए कि आप कहाँ stand करते हो in this big pool of creators. ऐसे start करना तो सही है, but consistent consumption आपके vision को influence कर सकता है to do something you did not plan. Consistent creation creative block भी दे सकता है. Creation and consumption are like bread and butter. Excess of anything can ruin the taste. इसीलिए there needs to be a balance between your creation process and consumption habits. The brain has limited attentional resources. और जब हमें ज़्यादा information मिलती है process करने को, it becomes challenging to allocate focused attention to each piece of content जो हम consume कर रहे हैं. इसीलिए we resort to skimming, scanning और quickly moving from one content to another बिना किसी पे ध्यान दिए. You must have heard of the term mindless consumption. इसका मतलब ये है कि content को बिना सोचे समझे consume करना, उसका value, relevance ना समझना और ये ना जानना कि आप पर कैसे impact करता है. इस habit की वजह से आपको comparison, loss of authenticity और creative blocks जैसे फैक्टर्स हिट कर सकते हैं because you're too consumed by what others are creating. इसीलिए आप देखते हो कि कई बार क्रिएटर्स की अंडरस्टैंडिंग में गहराई और इंसाइट्स की कमी होती है because their attention is so divided and overloaded. This fragmented attention leads to mindless consumption. जब हम बार-बार कंटेंट को बिना सोचे समझे कंज्यूम करते हैं, वो एक आदत बन जाती है. इस आदत से माइंडलेस कंजम्पशन से जुड़े हुए न्यूरल पाथवेज को रीएनफोर्स किया जाता है, जिससे वो हमारा डिफॉल्ट रेस्पॉन्स हो जाता है टू सर्टेन सिचुएशंस और कॉन्टेक्स्ट्स. बट बिफोर वी गेट टू द सॉल्यूशन, वी नीड टू डिस्कस सम की issues here. Influenced by stats. The fact that content economy is driven by the maya of numbers, it can definitely deviate you to focus on things that you don't have a control of. मतलब numbers से इतना influence मत हो कि आप अपना real engagement का impact ignore कर दो, because only that will help you in the long run. Loyal audience बनाना आपके content का purpose होना चाहिए, ना कि temporary numbers gain करना. Comparison leads to copying. What works for others may not work for you. जब आप ही खुद को किसी से compare करते हो, you're already influenced, and this comparison then leads to copying. दूसरों को copy करने का एक major downside ये है कि आप उनके presentation और video idea को तो copy कर लोगे, but you won't understand the vision behind creating that product. So you don't really learn the purpose of creating that piece of content. और इसके वजह से आपके next idea के लिए भी inspiration की need feel होती है. Loss of authenticity. Information overload can make you indecisive. This indecisive nature is the reason behind you not owning and standing up for your vision. जब आप दूसरों की personality खुद में induce करने का try करते हो, you're subconsciously hiding your own personality. That's why you need to embrace yourself first and then look outside. Vicious cycle. Mindless consumption is a vicious cycle जो आपके creative mindset को affect करता है. Solution starts when you first accept that you have this habit of consuming content without a purpose. Solution to this is also a habitual process. Monitor your consumption. First, you need to start monitoring your consumption, whatever you consume. Start making a list of content that you have been watching and then figure out कि आप वो content देख क्यों रहे हो. You'll see how watching irrelevant content can trigger your insecurities and change your approach towards creation. जैसे कि मैंने पहले कहा था, what works for others may not work for you. तो अपनी strengths पे focus करें और अपनी weakness को embrace करें. Consume what improves your mindset and your craft. Remember why you started in the first place? जब आपने content को पहली बार discover किया था, you had this urge to become better and better. When you channelize your energy to improve yourself, you are more confident because you witness your progress yourself. True inspiration should always come from within. Personal consumption for entertainment and professional consumption for learning. Make a conscious decision जब भी आप content consume करें and don't get attached to everything you watch. Not everything you watch be taken seriously. You're not just a creator, but you're also an audience to someone. Entertainment को entertainment के perspective से देखें, उसके numbers को खुद से compare ना करें. Social media has definitely connected people, but it also has its downsides, just like everything else in this world. So make sure you use it to your benefit, and for that, subscribe to Regeek because we make content that helps you get better.